Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I thank you for taking a few moments out of your time to watch all of my videos here on my channel. And in this video, I want to show you how to make money when stocks are actually going down. Actually, I want to show you how to make money using the Wealthy Investor approach even when the whole market is going down, right? It's all about getting that financial education. And the reason I have this channel is because I really want to show you how to profit from stocks, whether stocks are rising, staying the same, or dropping. Okay, so this is all about you getting that financial education so the next time the stock market drops, you're not caught unaware like, what should I do? I'm going to show you now how to make money. So here's just a fact. Back in November 10th, 2018, the stock market had a major pullback, right? So we saw stocks like AMD actually go down. Look at this 5-day chart. On its way down, it went in 5 days from $28.61 straight on down to $25. We saw the same thing actually happen in Square. Now, a lot of my students like to trade Square. I think it's a better long term investment, but that's not the point. The point is, within 5 days, the stock went from $96 all the way down to what? About $77.45, which you see here. So this is just a fact, right? I'm not making this up. I want you to see how this actually happens. Same time, a stock NVDA, which is a semiconductor company, dropped $19.85 on one day, but over 5 days it went all the way down from $286 a share to about $2.45 a share. This is what's really happening. Even Dow components like Home Depot took a haircut, down one day $2.05, and in a 5-day period down from 205.77. Now, if you really had a financial education, you'd know how to make money off of the drop in all of these stocks. But I'm going to show you an example on Square, which again, a lot of my students like to trade. On October 10th, when the stock was actually dropping, if you had purchased your shares, let's say a month ago, a month prior to that, at around $90, you could have sold a covered call, right? An out of the money covered call for what? Look at the bid column right down here, $2.35. So even though your shares were underwater because the shares were trading at what? $77.45, you could have entered into a simple contractual agreement, an out of the money cover call, and picked up $2.35 per share. Now, let me show you why this number is so powerful and why covered calls and learning how to cover call right in every market condition is so powerful. Because if you look at it here, right, this lesson is all about earning money trading in stocks in down markets. So I purchased 100 shares of Square, right, again at around $90 per share, right? But the stock dropped all the way down to what? 77.45. Hey Tyrone, what should I do? I don't know. Follow the wealthy investor method and make money even though you're still holding the shares. So here's what I'm going to do in this one step. I'm going to sell one covered call option, which is, and this is the key, which is why you need a financial education. This is an out of the money covered call, right? Okay, so I'm going to sell one November 16th, $90 strike. I bought the shares at 90. I'm willing to give them up, is in effect what I'm saying, and I'm going to take $235 in. As long as I bought 100 shares, this income right here is totally 100% guaranteed. But when you become a more sophisticated trader and you have more money in your account, you're not just owning 100 shares. What if you owned 1,000 shares at $90 and those shares suddenly dropped to 77.45? Then as the stock was dropping, you would have earned $2,350, 100% guaranteed win in a down market. Now I'm going to take it one more level and get a little bit more sophisticated. Why do I want to sell cover calls while the stock is dropping? Because this $2,350, if I don't want to put it in my pocket, remember cover call premiums are 100% guaranteed. I'm going to take this 2355 and wait for the stock to retrace. In other words, I'm taking the money that the stock market is giving me to buy more shares when the stock starts to head on its way back up. So when it gets back up to $90 a share, I am what? I'm not even, I'm ahead. Why? Because I purchased more shares when the stock was actually what? On its way down. When the reversal happens and it's on its way up, I have money that the stock market gave me to buy more shares. Again, so when the stock gets back to 90, I'm not even, I'm ahead. Why? I took in money and bought shares at a discount. Do you get that? And if I'm trading, the larger the amount that I'm trading, the more I want to protect that money and take in guaranteed money, selling out of the money cover calls on a stock that I'd be happy to give up at $90, but it's down at 77. Chances are, if the stock doesn't go back up to 90, I'm going to keep this $2,350. This is simple cover calls working at its best. If you don't know how to trade stocks, when the entire market is falling, you're going to be at a supreme disadvantage. So it's really important for you to get that financial education so you don't get stuck trading in one direction. So, to help you out, for those of you who are ready to go to the next level, and I say this all the time, start your membership right now at witradeschool.com, wealthyinvestortradeschool.com. That's where I teach all of these great cash flow strategies for down and up markets in a video form, just like you're watching this video right now. Some people call us like the Netflix for stock traders, and it's really, really great because if you don't understand a lesson, all you have to do is watch the video over and over and over again. But once you start your trade school membership, guess what? You can send me questions every week and I answer them. Now, again, this is all about getting the financial education that you need so you can stop losing money trading stocks on your own and learn a methodology that's been proven over time. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I'll see you inside if you start your membership at WI Trade School. And I'd love to teach you more and more of these strategies so you don't have to rely on market direction. You rely on a financial education. See you soon.